I am very excited today to share with you the latest essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. It is a subscription program that costs $39 a month, and with that you get 4 bottles of essential oils plus recipe cards and other materials that you need to create the recipes inside. You also get a bonus box when you sign up. It is filled with coconut oil, almond oil, and other essentials that you need to create your recipes. You can also use my referral link and coupon code SSHomeFree, and they will send you a $40 gift card. Each month the box has a unique theme. I shared last month's box with you, which was a summer theme, and the July box has a kids theme. You get stickers each month. These stickers are labels for the bottles that you get and also for the essential oil recipes that you'll be making. You also get some very colorful recipe cards. The recipes for this month's box are DIY Scented Stress Ball, Sweet Dreams Bath, Homework Diffuser Blend, Natural Slime, Lavender Scented Bubbles, and Sweet Dreams Roll-On. The 4 oils included are Sweet Dreams Blend, Lavender, Fir Needle, and Tangerine. The other items included in this month's box are a balloon and psyllium husk powder. Overall, I loved this month's box. It had a great mix of both fun and practical recipes. This way, both the kids and the parents get something out of it. I personally love the oils included. I was actually out of lavender, so I needed some of that. And I love anything that is citrusy, and so I was excited to get the tangerine. I also love the Sweet Dreams blend. We have been using that in our son's room at night, and I'm definitely going to use that to make the Sweet Dreams Roll-On to try on him. And I know that as he gets bigger, I will definitely be checking out the Natural Slime recipe and some of the other fun recipes included in this box. So if you were thinking about getting started with essential oils, or maybe you're already into essential oils and you're just looking for a great deal, I would definitely consider signing up for the essential oil recipe box. Don't forget that when you sign up with my referral link and coupon code SSHomeFree, you will get a $40 gift card, and you will also get the free bonus box with all the other materials that we discussed earlier.